Hi everyone, welcome to Nefis TV. Today I will show you how to prepare one of my favorite pasta salad dishes. In a large bowl, combine 500 grams of cooked ditalini pasta with finely cut 10 pickled gherkins, 1 cup of sweet corn, 1 cup of small cut mixed vegetables, 6 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 6 tablespoons of plain yogurt, salt, and 500 grams of cooked and shredded chicken breast. Pasta salad with chicken is ready to serve. Hope you enjoy! If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Please comment below for further questions. Thanks for watching!